If you're looking for handmade magnets, this video is for you. My name is Emma, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time you can click this circle in the corner, and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Ready? Let's start. Number 1, Bestseller, by BvdB Design and Print. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, another great product by BvdB Design and Print. Number 3. For more info and great handmade magnets, just click this circle. Number 4, by Custom Workshop. Number 5, by BvdB Design and Print. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click this circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.